Hello guys, this is your Punjabi chef Prateek. As a child, my life revolved around food. And also, I have lots of memories associated with it. Whenever I see a delicious dish or I speak to a friend, my memory is triggered with a fresh wave of nostalgia. And today's dish is going to bring back lots of childhood memories. My nani used to prepare a special kind of mutton curry for all of us on all family gathering. And today's dish is specially dedicated to my nani. I call it Amritsari Handi Meat. Guys, let me tell you a secret about this dish is that this mutton curry is specially cooked in two parts. In first part, we saute the mutton and the masala on a low flame for at least 20 minutes so that the rawness of the masala goes away and also the juices of the mutton is released. And in second part, we take the mutton and the masala, put in the pressure cooker, add water to it and cook it on a high flame for at least 10 minutes. So there's a variation of heat from low heat cooking to high heat cooking. Before I start, let me tell you, for this mutton curry, I'm specially going to use shoulder meat and chop. Shoulder meat because it is tender and flavorful, and chop is not only flavorful but will also give richness to the gravy when cooked properly. First, add oil, 30 ml. As the oil start heating up, I'm going to add the whole spices. First, I'm going to add 2 bay leaf, 2 black cardamom, 2 cinnamon sticks, 1 tablespoon cumin, 3 green cardamom, half tablespoon cloves and 1 teaspoon mace. Basically in this dish we add all the spices together, but just to show you I've added spices one by one. As the cumin starts crackling, I'm going to add 3 chopped onions. And with the onion, I'm also going to add 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. The reason I'm adding them together is because I want them to cook in a balanced heat. As my onions start getting golden, now I'm going to add mutton to the masala, and with the mutton, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of salt. I'm going to saute the mutton for at least 10 minutes with the onion. I've sauteed the mutton for 10 minutes. Now I'm going to add 3 tomato puree. With that, 6 chilies chopped. The masalas first, garam masala, 1 tablespoon. 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, and last half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. I'm going to cook the meat till the rawness of the masala goes away. Now I'm going to switch off the gas and transfer all the mutton and the masala into the pressure cooker. Now I'll switch on the gas, put it on high flame. With this I'm going to add chopped coriander, good amount of it, warm water, and with water I'm going to add 2 whole potatoes. And now I'm going to close the lid and let it cook on pressure cooker for at least 10 minutes. So guys, my mutton curry is ready. Now to finish it, first I'm going to add black pepper powder. Give it a nice stir. And also I'm going to remove the potato. I will cut them and put them back in the gravy. I'll add little salt to taste. I have already added salt in the beginning while sauteing the mutton. So now let's start plating. So guys, our Amritsari handi meat is ready, and finally to garnish, I'm going to add chopped coriander. So guys, I hope I made my grandmother proud by making her dish on camera. You please try this recipe at home and do let me know if you've been enjoying my recipes. And of course, if you have any recipe suggestion, please do share in the comment section below. I'll see you soon in the next episode. Till then, take good care and keep cooking.